Are you ready for the future of technology? Because the future is here, and it's dazzling. Welcome to the coverage of the most anticipated technology event of the year, the CES 2024. We're in for a treat this year with advancements in clean energy technology, MEMS earbud drivers, and the promise of Wi-Fi 7 with staggering maximum speeds of up to 46 Gbps. The term AI PC is also expected to be a buzzword, referring to computers equipped with neural processing units for more efficient AI tasks. Displace, a company that made waves at CES 2023, will be showcasing their truly wireless TVs, including the 27-inch Displace Mini and the 55-inch Displace Flex. But that's not all. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is a major focus this year, with advancements in healthcare, sustainability, productivity, accessibility, and more expected. Intel's CEO, Pat Gelsinger, even has a keynote dedicated to highlighting the impact of bringing AI to everyone. Mobility is another sector buzzing with innovations. From electric vehicles and self-driving cars to personal mobility solutions like Supernal's first eVTOL or electric vertical takeoff and landing vehicle, the future of transportation seems to be taking a leap. Mixed reality, or MR, is under the spotlight with the rumored release of Apple's Vision Pro. The advancements in AR/VR headsets and the merging of physical and digital worlds are sure to create a spectacle. And for the gamers out there, new gaming laptops, GPUs like NVIDIA's rumored RTX 4070 Super and RTX 4080 Super, and possibly even announcements from AMD are setting the stage for an exciting year in gaming. Smart homes promise new gadgets and integrations, aiming to make our homes even smarter and more convenient. LG and Samsung have already unveiled their latest OLED TVs and monitors, but other players may have surprises in store. Beyond these highlights, keep an eye out for announcements from big tech players like AMD, Hisense, Lenovo, NVIDIA, Panasonic, Qualcomm, and Samsung. Innovations in healthcare, robotics, and sustainability are also expected. And let's not forget the surprises from smaller companies looking to make a splash. It's a jam-packed week for tech, so stay tuned for all the exciting news coming out of CES 2024. From AI-powered personal assistants in Mercedes-Benz vehicles to Qualcomm's Snapdragon digital chassis platform for the automotive industry, the future is not just about technology, but how technology can seamlessly integrate into our everyday lives. In summary, CES 2024 is set to be a landmark event, showcasing the future of technology from AI to mobility, mixed reality, gaming, smart homes, and TVs. This is the future, and it's happening right now. So buckle up and prepare to be amazed. The future of technology is here, and it's brighter than ever.